In my first month, I made just $16. In the second, it grew. Now, I'm sitting at almost €2,000. And guess what? I did all of this without ever leaving my house, using nothing more than my phone. Here's the kicker, I've never had to show my face or even use my real voice. I let AI handle that for me because, let's be honest, making money online doesn't have to mean putting yourself out there. Even for this video, I didn't want to break that rule. So, how did I make it happen? How did I go from working as a construction worker to earning more in minutes than I used to in hours? I'll break it all down for you, step by step. And no, I'm not here to sell you on waking up at 5 a.m., taking cold showers, or reading stacks of self-help books. What I'm sharing is practical, actionable, and easy to follow. The entire strategy revolves around two apps, Instagram and TapMob. You probably know Instagram, but TapMob might be new to you. It's a CPA marketing platform, and here's how it works.
But basically, this is like a CPA marketing platform where you can find a lot of different CPA offers in the offers section right over here, which pay you anywhere from $5 to $6 when someone submits their email address. So CPA stands for cost per action, so you're being paid when someone completes a certain action, which is in this case, just submitting their email address. So you can find all these different offers, like for example, a DoorDash $100 giveaway, which pays you $5 per person that you refer. All you need to do is submit their email address for a chance to win a $100 gift card, and you're going to be paid $5 when they submit their email address, which obviously makes it super easy. So all you gotta do is pretty much just tap copy link, and you can start sharing that with other people. When someone submits their email address, you're being paid $5 for it. If you go to the offers tab, you find all of these different offers, all the different giveaways. Like for example, this is an iPhone 14 giveaway, which pays you $6 per conversion. So you can just copy the link and you can start sharing that with other people.
For example, with TapMob, you can make $8 for a single email sign-up. Now, the big question, who are you sharing this link with? Family? Friends? Nope, that won't cut it. The real trick lies in leveraging Instagram, but not in the way you think. Forget trying to grow an account from scratch, it's slow and often impossible to gain traction. Here's my method, I bought an established Instagram account. A faceless page with a solid following. I didn't need to film anything or appear in videos, and I still managed to get millions of views. One example. A single video I posted got 4.5 million views and made me €104 in a single day. How much time did I spend on it? Just 5 minutes. All I did was edit a video on CapCut, post it, and watch the earnings roll in. This wouldn't have been possible with a brand new account. The one I started with already had 39,000 followers, and now it has 40,900. The best part? If I ever decide to stop doing this, I can resell the account and even make a profit. Where do you find accounts like these? There's a Discord group dedicated to buying and selling Instagram accounts. The prices are affordable, typically around $10 per 1,000 followers. That means you can start with a decent account for as little as $20. Plus, once you've grown the account, you can resell it for more than you paid. The Discord server has dedicated chats where you can request specific types of accounts or list your own for sale. And inside, you'll also find a section with all the tools and resources you need, including TapMob. At its core, the formula for success is simple, audience plus product. And in this case, that means Instagram plus TapMob. Having an Instagram account opens up endless opportunities. You can do CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, or even partner with brands for sponsored posts and stories. With a large enough audience, the possibilities are limitless.